Hi friends! Today I'm going to be making vegan tonkotsu ramen. We all love tonkotsu ramen, but it is high in calories and fat, so we can't eat it quite often. I make a healthier version of tonkotsu ramen with a soy meat topping. If you make a soy meat topping in advance, you can make it in less than 10 minutes. Let's get started.
First things first, let's make Nikumiso, spicy vegan meat sauce. Today I am using plant-based meat that is made of soybean, but you can always replace it with ground pork or ground chicken. Mix garlic and ginger. Heat a frying pan on medium-low, put a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add in ginger and garlic. It looks like a lot, but it's plant-based, so adding a lot of gingers and garlics makes it flavorful and so satisfying. Add Doubanjian. It's a hot chili sauce made with broad beans, and it's a Chinese product, but it is very common in the Japanese kitchen as well. Cook until fragrant before adding other ingredients to bring out the spiciness and aroma. Stir well and add plant-based ground meat. The plant-based ground meat has been rehydrated in hot water. Leave a little bit. Squeeze out the water as much as possible. That removes the unpleasant smell and it makes meat sauce just like ground chicken. Add red miso, sugar, sake, and mirin. If it's not easy to stir around, add water to make it easy to work with. Stir well and add in sesame oil to make it even more delicious. Transfer to a container and you can keep it in the fridge for about a week. To make the soup, bring your soy milk to a boil. Add vegetable soup powder and add 1/3 teaspoon of salt to taste. How easy is that? Trust me, it tastes just like tonkotsu soup in a healthier and lighter version. Boil the noodles and transfer to a bowl. Pour soup. Topped with spinach that has been blanched, and Nikumiso sauce and long green onion. There you have it. When you mix it with the Nikumiso and the soup, it is so satisfying and it tastes so good. It's an effortless vegan noodle soup. It's summertime and you don't want to spend long hours in the kitchen. This recipe is good for everyone. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!